guys, my name is Lee Antov from Mr. Condi's AP Economics class. Today I'll be showing you how to do a sample FRQ problems that you usually see in AP tests. This problem is asking us, banks play an important role in determining change in money supply. Now, that's the problem. Part A is asking us that assuming the bank receives a cash deposit of $5,000 from a customer, what is the immediate impact from this transaction on the money supply? As we all know, money supply is the accumulative of all the money that's going around in circulation in the government. When we deposit cash into our account, it doesn't really change the money supply, because what we're just doing is that we're just handing the money into a place. Nothing will change once we do that. That is part A. And the answer will be no change. For part B, it is saying, suppose that the reserve requirement is 10% and banks voluntarily has kept an additional 10% in reserves. Calculate each of the following. And so, if you don't know, banks are required to keep at least a certain amount. It depends on each bank, but for this one, it's saying that it's like 10%. This is the required reserve ratio. And this is just the percent. To find the actual numerical value of money, that is, what you would do is you would multiply by the demand deposit, or otherwise known as the checkable deposit. So you would do 5,000, and that's our DD, demand deposit, multiplied by the percent in its numerical value. So that would be 0.10% or 0.10%, and you should get $1,000. I'm sorry, my bad. You would get $500. This will be your required reserve ratio. Now, what the question is asking is that the banks ought to keep an additional 10%. You can do this one of either two ways. I'm showing you my way right now. What I would do is that I would add 10% into the additional 10% and get 20%. So I would do 5,000 times 0.20 and get $1,000. This would now be our required reserves. Now, it's asking us how much can the bank loan or increase its loans. And so, with the money supply being added in, we now know that the money supply that can be loaned out, which is our ER, or our excess reserves, that's when it can be loaned out. To find ER, we would do DD minus RR equals ER. Now we know that our DD is $5,000 and our RR is $1,000. Now 5,000 minus 1,000 equals 4,000. So this here is the amount that our bank in this problem can increase its loans by. So that will be your answer to B, number 1. Now for B2, it is asking us the maximum increase in the money supply that will be generated from this transaction. So it is asking that how much of an increase the money supply can get. And is that asking for only one bank? It is asking for the whole entire bank system. And to do that, what we would do is you will use the money multiplier, which would be 1 over all, and that will be 1 over 0.20, which is our required reserve right here. So we'll do 1 over 0.2, and 1 divided by 0.2 will give us 5. this 5, we will multiply it by the ER, which is $4,000. So we'll do 4,000 times 5, which will get us 20,000. An easy way to do this is you would just do 4 times 5, you get 20, and you would put down 3 zeros. There you go, $20,000. That's B2, and this is the increase of the money supply that will be generated with this transaction. Now for part C, it is saying assuming the government increases spending by $5,000, which is financed by the sales of goods, bonds to central banks, indicate what happens to money supply. Alright, so if you don't know, tight money and easy money always comes involved in this. For me, when I think about it, is that when the Feds they sell bonds, they are trying to reduce inflation, and when they are buying bonds, they're trying to reduce a depression. So, knowing that they are selling bonds, we know that they are inflating, they are attacking the inflation, and what this would mean is that the money supply would be going up or increasing. Because at this time, we are selling stuff, so we're getting more money. So for C1, you will put increasing. Move on to C2. For C2, it's asking us, explain what will happen to the money demand. For money demand is basically what the money is going to be happening when the money supply increase. Since money supply and money demand both go up or down at the same time, since this is increasing, money demand will also increase. So you put increase, and when it asks why, you will say that because the wages and the prices are going up, as money is also increasing. And that will be the answer to the FRQ problems. If you have any other questions or comments or concerns, please leave a comment down below. And I hope you do good on your AP test.